In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix it when you can't move anything in Canva. If you're trying to drag text, images, or elements around your design and nothing is responding, don't worry. This usually comes down to a few simple settings inside your Canva project. And once you know where to look, it's very easy to fix. First, take a look at the top toolbar whenever you click on the element you're trying to move. If you see an option that says Lock with a little padlock icon that looks closed, that means the element might already be locked in place. Canva lets you lock items so they don't accidentally move while you're designing. To unlock it, click on the element once, then click the padlock icon so it switches to an open state. As soon as it's unlocked, try dragging the element again and see if it moves freely. If you're still stuck, you might be dealing with a locked group or a locked page. Click somewhere on the blank area of your canvas, away from any elements, and check if there's a lock icon in the top toolbar that applies to the entire page or layout. If the whole design is locked, unlock it there first. Sometimes, templates from Canva come with certain layers locked by default so that beginners don't accidentally break the layout. Next, check whether you have multiple elements grouped together. When items are grouped, they move as a single unit. Click on your object, and if you see a group or ungroup button at the top, that means it's part of a group. If you only want to move one item, click Ungroup. Then select just the piece you want and drag it into place. If Canva still isn't responding properly, it might be a browser issue. Try quickly refreshing the page. Or, if you've been working for a long time, save your design, close the tab, and reopen Canva. It can also help to switch to a different browser, update your current browser, or clear your cache if things feel laggy or frozen. Finally, double-check your zoom level. If you're zoomed very far out, small movements can be hard to notice, and it may feel like nothing is moving. Adjust the zoom slider at the bottom of the editor to get a clearer view and test again. By walking through these checks, unlocking elements, ungrouping items, making sure the page isn't locked, and refreshing your browser, you should be able to fix the issue and get back to moving everything around in Canva normally.